Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili mushroom using an easy method. We'll prepare a delicious and flavorful dish in under 30 minutes, perfect for a quick meal or appetizer. This recipe is designed for simplicity, using readily available ingredients. You'll learn straightforward steps to create a restaurant-quality dish right in your own kitchen. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic culinary experience with minimal effort and maximum taste. To begin, you'll need 200 grams of fresh button mushrooms, sliced or quartered. For the vegetables, grab 1 large onion and 2 bell peppers, preferably red and green, cut into cubes. Have 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 green chilies, finely chopped, ready. Also, prepare 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Finally, 1 tablespoon of corn flour mixed with a 1/4 cup of water will create our thickening slurry. First, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and sauté the chopped onions and bell peppers until they become slightly soft, about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add the ginger garlic paste and green chilies, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. Then, stir in your prepared mushrooms and cook them until they release their water and shrink slightly. This step takes about 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring they are tender and ready for the sauce. Now, pour the prepared sauce mixture over the cooked mushrooms and vegetables in the pan. Stir everything well to ensure the sauce evenly coats all ingredients. Continue to cook for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken to your desired consistency. Once it's perfectly glossy and rich, garnish your delicious chili mushrooms with fresh spring onions or cilantro. Serve them hot as a fantastic appetizer or a flavorful side dish. Enjoy your easy homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.